Okay, I done my garden picking on video, but my camera defunked on me. It didn't save the video. It was a corrupt file. I don't know why. It's an Insta360. I'm starting to get dissatisfied with this thing. Anyway, so I'm not going to go back to my garden again. This is going to be a short video of my garden picking. I did pick this today, this little beady watermelon. The tundra was dry on it, so this one I picked before. I never cut that open yet. These are the tomatoes I picked last time. And this is what I picked today. This green one just fell off the vine, so I just went ahead and picked that up. I picked a bunch of strawberries early because it's going to be, what's today, Saturday? Today's Saturday. Today's Saturday, August 7th. Went ahead and picked that one there. It's not in great shape, but then I picked that one there. Picked that one there. Some of these I'm gonna pull out because it's too red, too soft. I might get another container, put it in the fridge. All these going in the fridge. Okay, this is what I got today. Well, last time, actually. And what I'm going to have for today to take a picture of. Let's see. Look at that pepper there I picked too. That big old yellow pepper. I got a little green on it. That one there got a little green on it. Picked some green pepper. I had one green pepper, it had bugs in it. I threw that one away. Okay, I'm sorting these out. I picked some of these too. They say cucumber, you just let it go overripe and then save the seeds from it. I'm going to try that on these. Also going to save some pepper seeds too. Okay, that's a pepperoncini, overripe. There's some more yellow pepper. This is just going to be a fast, short video because this camera screwed up on me. It doesn't do it all the time, but does it once in a while. Anyway, I reformatted the card. Maybe that'll help it. Okay, we got these here. I'm trying to sort these out now. These are ready. Jalapenos. Yeah, I hate it when things you don't work right the way it's supposed to, and everything gets all screwed up. It's a shame. 360s, Insta360 is okay sometimes. I don't know. I constantly use it. It does get pretty warm when you use it. Okay, so this is what I got so far. Pick those strawberries, those. I show you my gladiolas laying out there drying out. I pulled them out of the ground, the corms, and I'm gonna save them for next year. And that's about it. And over here, this is the I'm gonna do a video on later, saving the seeds. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I hate doing these videos when they don't come out right. Okay, later.